Well, welcome back, guys, once again. And we just the morning scenery, the morning sea behind me, because this time we are just on Marine Drive and just shoot a video. So today my topic is that I just describe today the history of BJP and why this time BJP is like progress day by day in this time. So I just come on this bridge and I just shoot the video only about this. I have many regions and I have just many discussions on this party, the party invention, the party history, and many things. So if I just talking about in 1980, the BJP means Bharatiya Janata Party is formed in 1980, and the founder member of the mainly founder member of BJP, and that is our very respectable man Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and many other members as like another proficient leader, other veteran leader like Lal Krishna Advani, and many other person in time of founding this party is just founding this party BJP. But that's time when the party is founded, that's time in India the power of Congress, the power of Congress. But this time the power of Congress is very normal, because this time India's 28 states and 8 union territories. And if I just talking about in how many states the power of governments of BJP, then likely 22 states in power of BJP, and only 3 to 4 and maximum 5 states the power of BJP and with his alliance. Because this time the golden period of BJP party, and it's only due to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Because when Narendra Modi is just declared the PM candidate in 2014, then all people of this country it decided we just vote for Narendra Modi, because that time a clean sheet made to Narendra Modi from Godhra Kand in Gujarat, and this time the popularity of Narendra Modi is on peak position. But guys, after voting of general election like Lok Sabha in India in 2014, and the PM will be become our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That's time India BJP is not power in maximum state. But after like 2026, in this period like 12 years is a big time, and the BJP is progress, outstanding progress this time, because in 22 states of BJP power is not like a normal thing, it's a better thing, because this time it's just making by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This historical time is just created by our Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the other political members, and this time the BJP president, it just belongs to our Bihar, and that is Nitin Nabin. So this time the present president of BJP, Nitin Nabin. Okay, and you just see recently 2 to 5 years, many states general party it just lost his power. You just see recently the election in West Bengal, in Tamil Nadu, in West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee lost in very heavily loss, and also his party is now divided. All rebellion is now to decide to rebel this party. And you just see in Tamil Nadu is just DMK government, but newly came a party, and the party founded by the actor of Vijay, and now time the actor of Vijay is the CM of the Tamil Nadu. And you also see in Bihar, in alliance of JDU, after election Nitish Kumar is to be the CM of Bihar, but after 3 to 4 months it just decided Nitish Kumar is just wipe out the power, and new CM is declared. And this time the BJP CM, the first time in Bihar, the BJP CM, and that is Samrat Chaudhary. You just see in West Bengal, you just see in Odisha, because recently 2 years Odisha CM, it's first time in Odisha, first BJP CM. Likely West Bengal, Subhendu Adhikari is first CM of in West Bengal of BJP. So it's the golden period of BJP, because I just suppose if BJP is not doing well, so why this party is just day by day progressing, developing? Why? Because this time the people of India is just likely to love this party, and it's all governance by only due to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. So okay, I am not supporters of BJP, but I just discussed the party governance, the party ability, because I am not supporters or not haters the BJP. I like to all parties, I like to all regional parties, because for me all party is likely to a governance of this India. Now time the BJP in power, again in next time